Meaning of disorganized.
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 Disorganized. The term disorganized refers to the state of being chaotic or lacking order and structure. When something is disorganized, it is often difficult to find what you need or complete tasks efficiently due to the lack of a clear system or structure. This can result in feelings of frustration, stress, and overwhelm. A disorganized space can be cluttered, messy, and unappealing to look at, while a disorganized schedule can lead to missed deadlines and uncompleted tasks. It is important to establish organization in various aspects of life to improve productivity and reduce stress.